Hello folks, I'm documenting how we're building a French drain system. The old French drain is failing due to long years of improper maintenance. The storm drain is clogged, the pipes are stuck, probably because the roots and dirt get in there and it's completely blocked. Now we're going to lay new pipes and put fresh gravel. I'm going to document the progress that we have done so far. This is day one activity. As you can see, the trench is almost complete. At the back side of the home is about 1 foot, and over here it's about 2.5 feet. And on this side, the trench just getting started. The trench is going to capture 3 sides of the downsprout and bring it into a single pipe and out to the creek that way. Day 2 progress. The trench is almost complete. The trench will start from this corner and wrap around the house. And down to the creek. The pipe is installed and we put gravel around the pipe and wrapped it around in the fabric to prevent any soil getting into the pipe. As you can see, the pipe is there and we wrap around in gravel and lay dirt over it. Here we see this material. Back side is fabric and this side is plastic that prevent moisture getting into the foundation. The brand of the fabric is Delta. All right, we have everything completed. This is day 3. Everything is now buried in place. They wrap around the pipe in gravel and fabric, and then they buried in dirt. They also replaced the new concrete, still a little bit wet. You can see, pretty nice job. Everything's buried and it's real clean. And let me show the pipe. All the downsprout water is captured by the basin, and this area they run the pipe to the creek. And the reason they didn't put the concrete here is later on we'll have another pipe coming through this way and connect to the septic tank. And here's the pipe. As you can see, it's a wide pipe for the drainage for all the storm water. All right, thank you for watching.